All right, we're on day number 22. Let's check it out. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I am Jake, and thank you for watching the video. So it is day 22 in the One Funnel Away challenge. So it's a 30-day challenge that we started 22 days ago. So yeah, day number 22. It's all about core funnel strategy. So yeah, let's jump into the members area and check it out. Day 22 is core funnel strategy. To be honest, this is a little manipulating as far as the title goes, because basically all they're talking about the entire day is building a list, and I'll explain that here in a second. Russell Brunson is just saying there's two goals of a funnel: to get a lead, or to to get a customer. That's it. Those are the two reasons you have a funnel. And then the rest of the video, he's just saying that we're going to focus on building a list, and if we can break even on a funnel, then that's awesome. That's our only goal in this challenge, is to get to break even on a funnel. So if you put $5 into ads, you get $5 out. I understand the idea of that. I don't necessarily agree with it though. So let me throw that out there. It's a little iffy. What he's saying is, if you can get a customer on your list with your first offer, your first funnel, and you make all your money back, it's a free customer. That's what he's saying. And then you have this email list that you can then put them into other funnels, offer them affiliate offers and stuff like that, and that's how you make your extra money. I don't know. I mean, if you are a company that only sells one product or two products or three products, and you bundle it all into this amazing offer for this funnel, and you only break even, you would then have to use that list to pitch to other companies to make money. So I'm not sure I agree with that whole concept. That won't be our goal in this. We are definitely gonna try and go above and beyond break even on a funnel. Obviously, I think everyone should. I agree and disagree at the same time, if that makes sense. He did also mention in the video they're going to be giving us a free funnel template to use, and that's what they want us to use for this challenge. I will show you that here in a second. So let's jump on to Julie's video. Julie's video is all about the free funnel walkthrough. So you got your squeeze page here, then you got your sales page, and then something weird happens. I don't know why they did this. They actually put the form to the order form on the next page over instead of on the sales page. It's just one more button they gotta push, and you're obviously gonna lose customers after they go to that page. I probably don't know enough to argue about this, but that seems a little awkward to have another page that's just supporting the original sale that you're going through. Pretty much they have to go through your squeeze page, they have to look all the way through your sales page, click the little button that says I'm ready to buy here, and then they come over to finally fill out the form to buy the product. After that, you got your OTO page, your order confirmation page, and then this is your membership site right here. That's the free funnel they're going to be providing. She does walk through it a little bit, and she does provide a list of things you need to actually fill in this funnel. In the book, it is also listed in there, so you got a nice long list. Pretty much you're just going to be using the copy, the hook, the stories from week 2, and you're going to be using your offer that you created in week 1, and then your e-cover that you had produced if you had it done by someone else or if you did it yourself. But yeah, there's a nice long list. You've all seen the last videos, and if you haven't, the playlist is in the card, so go check that out. Yeah, let's jump on to Steven's video. Steven's video is literally, he spends the first half of the video saying, hey, a break-even funnel is fantastic. They're really trying to sell this break-even thing really hard. Like I said, I disagree. I don't think a break-even funnel is $1 million funnel like they say. Maybe I'm the one that's wrong here. I don't know. These guys are experienced marketers. I am not. So maybe that's the problem here. That being said, he spends half the video explaining that, and then the second half of the video he's talking about the 3 types of traffic. He says you got the traffic that you own, the people on your list, traffic that you don't own, and the way he described this is traffic that you don't know where they come from. That's not the case if you have your pixels and everything set up. You pretty much know where everyone's coming from for the most part. And then traffic that you control, which is your ads, influencer stuff, if you're doing any of that. The idea is to move the people from traffic that you don't own and traffic that you control to traffic that you own. In other words, get people on your list once again. Now, Jim down here, he actually flipped it. He's like, hey, I'm going to do something completely different, like he always does. He's just saying, put emotion into your origin story, Most people just tell a story very bland. Now, my story's probably kind of bland. I don't know. But yeah, just add emotion into it. Tell them what you're feeling. Don't tell them exactly. Don't just tell them specific details. Tell them like literally what you were feeling when that happened. That's all he's saying there. And then the second video he has, it's just always have a headline on every page, even on the thank you page. Always have a headline. That's pretty obvious, I feel like, but apparently I did see another one of his videos on his YouTube channel, and it was I think it was top 10 mistakes marketers use, and that was one of them. But yeah, that's pretty much today in a nutshell. Now there's just a checklist on the homework that you check off what you got done, and if you don't have all that done on the checklist, then you're not ready to build your funnel. Tomorrow we're getting this free funnel, supposedly. That's what they said in the videos. So we'll see about that. That's it for today. Day 22 in the books. Core funnel strategy is pretty much all narrowed down to build a list. That is the core funnel strategy. Yeah, that's literally all they said the entire day. Day 22 could have been done in 5 minutes. My opinion. So if you haven't already, like the video, subscribe for more, and hit the notification bell so you know when the next one's coming out. And comment down below some questions, and yeah, we'll see you on the next video. See you later.